For decades, accessing the internet was a deliberate physical act. You had to sit down at a desk, plug a machine into a wall, and actively choose to log on. The digital world was strictly confined to a physical box. But wireless technology allowed that connection to break free from the screen. We no longer have to intentionally browse the web for the web to be active all around us. Today, the most mundane items you interact with, the watch on your wrist, the air conditioner in your window, the refrigerator in your kitchen, are quietly generating and transmitting data every second of the day. Which raises the question, how did everyday household appliances suddenly get so smart? And what exact infrastructure are they talking to while we aren't looking? This integration of physical hardware and digital networks is the Internet of Things, or IoT. It marks the point where the objects in our rooms became part of the data on the web. Look at this blueprint of a standard fan. It becomes a smart device when embedded with 3 upgrades: a data sensor, processing software, and a wireless broadcaster. Now it continuously reads its environment and exchanges data with the internet in real time. The secret engine driving this entire process is human absence. The system is explicitly designed for machines to communicate directly with other machines, executing complex workflows without you ever pressing a button. If you are 10 miles away from home, you can tap a smartphone screen to instantly adjust your thermostat or turn off a hallway light. The devices coordinate the physical action entirely on their own. On a daily basis, delegating these small interactions strips away hours of manual work. The network quietly handles the friction of managing a household. Isolated mechanical chores are replaced by an automated ecosystem you control from anywhere in the world. But the network doesn't stop at your front door. Zoom out to the neighborhood, and smart vehicles are constantly pinging local networks with real-time telemetry and traffic data. Down the street, automated security cameras process motion data, making instantaneous decisions about whether to trigger an alarm or alert the authorities. Scale up to an industrial level, and this is how modern agriculture functions. Thousands of microscopic sensors are planted directly into the soil, mapping moisture and weather conditions across massive fields. If a crop patch gets too dry, soil sensors speak directly to the irrigation system, turning on the water supply without a human farmer ever stepping foot in the dirt. At the environmental scale, smart pollution monitors sample the air and adjust industrial filtration systems on the fly to keep emissions in check. In healthcare, physical heart monitors attached to patients feed live biometric data straight into global hospital networks, ensuring doctors see irregularities the second they happen. This all culminates in the smart city. As you see here, millions of individual data nodes, power grids, traffic lights, water utilities, rapidly light up and sync together. They adjust to peak hours, route traffic around accidents, and conserve energy, all in perfect unison. The same invisible machine-to-machine language that dims your living room lights is simultaneously managing the daily infrastructure of entire metropolises. Wiring the entire planet together requires an immense logistical lift. Creating this level of convenience does not happen by accident. Deploying, powering, and continuously maintaining billions of overlapping sensors is a staggering financial undertaking that takes years of physical construction to achieve. Logistics are secondary to the ultimate threat. Connecting billions of physical objects to the internet exponentially expands the attack surface for hackers. IoT hacking shifts the stakes from digital theft to physical vulnerability. Bypassing a network means bypassing the mechanical locks on your home. Your daily routines, your physical location, and your home's exact layout are reduced to raw data points. If compromised, that information can be easily weaponized. This is the dichotomy of the Internet of Things. We have engineered absolute frictionless convenience at the cost of accepting risks that extend directly into our private, physical lives. Living in a perfectly automated world requires accepting a difficult truth. Our physical existence is now permanently hosted on a network that can be compromised.